Greetings, universe! Hello, everyone. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are doing great. Yay! Hello, Douglas. Welcome in, everyone. Douglas, how are you doing? Oh, Douglas says this will be interesting. I've been curious how game NPC AI works. All I could imagine was just thousands of if statements. Maybe thousands is excessive, but you get the idea. Yeah. I totally understand what you mean. And what we're doing today. We will design the behavior of our NPCs. The bunnies, that is. Are you familiar with the bunnies? Are you familiar with the bunnies? I mean, do you know what kind of bunnies I'm talking about? Dun dun dun. Okay. Let's see. Danglu says, I think I've missed the last two streams, but I saw when you made the sprites for them. Yeah, exactly, those. These are the ones I'm talking about for sure. Okay. Okay, wait. There's something weird going on with my model, I feel like. Can you hear me okay? Because I see that my mouth isn't moving properly. Which is kind of weird. And I'd like to fix that. I would like to fix that. Okay. So at least you can hear me okay. At least that one works. Let's see if there's anything we can do about this. Maybe I can reload the microphone. Just so the lip sync will be a little bit better looking. Ah, there we go. Well, that was an easy fix. Okay. Let's go. Okay. So I think we can get started. Let's do it. Okay. Before we look into the planning, maybe let's show you first how we're using the sprites that we have created. Here we go. This is Wob. Say hello to Wob. And this is the bunny fruits. I'm gonna spawn some bunnies. Yes, flowcharts. And this is the bunny. The bunny is walking towards the fruit. The fruit is his favorite. And he will come to the fruit and consume it. There we go. The fruit was consumed. Let's visit some other bunnies. There are more bunnies wandering around, searching for some fruit, searching for some tasty fruit. There we go. Yes. So this is what we have so far. Lots of bunnies. I am curious though. What do you think about the movement so far for the player? Do you think it looks alright? Does it feel alright? I need feedback about how the movement feels. Is it okay? Is it weird? I need your feedback. Yeah. Anyway, these are the bunnies. So the sprite is not really final. The sprite that I'm using, I'm not sure this is the one that I will like use forever. Probably I will choose another, but this is the one I'm using for now because it's very cute. But honestly, I think all of them are cute. So there's that. Yep, so this is the current state of the game. This is what we have so far. Let me know, what do you think? If you have any feedback, if you have any thoughts to share, any ideas. Yep, anything really, anything works. Anything will do. Douglas says the perspective feels weird, but I think I could get used to it. Yeah, I know, right? Because this type of perspective, I didn't really see it implemented anywhere. I don't think I did, at least. And maybe there's a reason people don't implement it. Maybe because it's like too weird. But maybe it's not. Maybe it can be acceptable. Maybe it can be acceptable. I don't know. Tango says, I think it's that the curvature makes the camera seem like it is slower than the player model, and that is what feels off about it. Yeah. Maybe. I don't know. Not sure. I don't know. Maybe when the game has a bit more to it, we can take a look again at whatever is happening in the game and then make decisions based on that. I do kind of like that the camera is slightly slower. I don't know, I do like this curvature kind of thing. Yeah, it's like the player is always facing you and the player is always moving towards you. It is a little bit weird. I'll admit that. However, whenever you play top down, you kind of are looking at the character's face when the perspective is from the top. So I suppose this is a little bit of the type of feeling that I want to get here, but I just don't want to draw the characters in the top-down perspective. So this is what I landed with. I hope it's not too weird. Tanglo says, I think it's appropriate given that the setting is on a small one, right? Yes, exactly. It is supposed to be like a teeny tiny cutie moon. A moon that is your home for you and for your cute bunnies. Your very cute bunnies. So we have all sorts of bunnies around. So did you get used to it already? Did you get used to the perspective already? Here are some more bunnies. Lots of bunnies. Ooh. Bunnies. Look, they're eating some fruits. There we go. Here, more bunnies walking towards the fruit. Here. There we go. eating some fruit. Ooh, there's more fruit around here. So they're all going for the fruit. So many bunnies. Okay. So, yeah. If you have any thoughts about this, please let me know. And now we will get to the actual topic of the stream. Yeah. So here it is. Here is the actual topic of our stream. We are designing our bunny behavior. Let me walk you through what we have so far. Is the text okay? Let me know if... Oh no. It got resetted. Ugh. Harsh reset. Does the text look okay? I wonder. I hope so. Yeah, okay. So let me go. Let me walk you through what we have so far. So we have all sorts of goals to achieve. This goal is to not be hungry. These two goals at the bottom of the screen, these two goals are about not being bored and Dunkler says, I'm watching it on the phone so I can't really say. Oh, okay, so I will do my best to explain everything. And I will assume that you just cannot read what is shown on screen. That's the assumption I will go with. Alright. And I'll just describe everything. Here we go. So we would like to raise, let's say we would like to raise our hunger bar. Like we're very hungry and we need our fullness to be 100%. So we have a few ways to do this. One of them is to just go towards some available fruit around the world. So, in order to go to a certain fruit, we need to have two states to be true. We need a fruit to be available in a certain radius from us. That's one thing. And the other one, the bunny has to be hungry, which means the bunny's fullness is under 50. If these two conditions are met, then the bunny will choose to go to the nearest fruit. Then the bunny will have a fruit, and then the bunny will eat the fruit to increase the bunny's fullness. Now, if the player is offering some fruit, maybe the Hunger shouldn't necessarily be under 50. Maybe we can go with higher. Underness of fullness. Fullness under 50. Let's add another state of fullness under 75. This is fullness under 75. And we want it to be a precondition for go to player fruit offer. Go to player fruit offer. Let's look it up. There it is. Now, instead of having it at 50, we'll do it at 75. It means that the bunny will go to the player for fruit if the player offers fruit. So that will be a more fun kind of behavior, I think. Now, what else do we have? So, in this case, if fullness is under 75 and the player offers fruits, actually, we also need player and radius. Yep, okay. This is good, this is good. We have already written that part. So that's great. If all of these three conditions are met, then the bunny will go to the player for fruit and will eat the fruit. Good, good, good. Now we have two types of way to not be bored. One of them is going to involve the player, and the other will not involve the player. So we have two cases here. If the bunny will choose to be involved with the player, then they will receive a certain amount of fun, and if it's going to be without the player, it's going to be another different amount of fun. So that's how it's going to work. These two are going to be two different these are going to be two different ways to relieve boredom. So in order for the bunny to choose to go to the player, the player should be in the same radius and play should be under 75. But also there should be another state actually for this one. The player should offer to play. we don't have that type. So just like player offers fruit, player offers fruit, we should have the same for offers to play. So we have the toy offer, but we should also have the play offer. Oh, there is a play offer, I see. There is a play offer, which does not include a toy, so we already have that type of state. We have a type of... Oh, this is an action, actually. It's not a state. It's not a state. So, player offers fruit. Player offers... Just like there is player offers fruit, there should be player offers toy. I could have sworn we have done this the last time. Where did it go? That's weird. Okay, let's add those. Although, to be fair, I could have sworn we have added them in the last stream. So, that's a bit weird. But okay, let's do it. So, just like player offers fruit, the player can offer 2 additional things. Let's do it in available toy in radius. Available toy in radius. So, a player can offer a toy. And a player can offer play. Play. Here we go. Now we have 2 additional states that we will need to connect to the actions that we have to find. Hello, Nox. Welcome in, welcome in. How are you doing? Thank you for joining. And thank you for being inclusive as always. How's the brain food? Do you have your brain food available? Alright. So, let me know if the font is too small or not, or if you can actually read. I need this feedback in order to be sure that you can actually see what I'm doing. So, your feedback will be much appreciated. Nox says, doing good, SpaceC. Have brain food today, so I am running at full capacity. Energy is being drained a lot lately, though. Well, it takes more energy to operate. Isn't it? Isn't it? Well, hello, Freedom Fort. Since all of you guys are around, maybe I will show you the current state of the game. As always, I am looking for feedback about the movement and whatever you think about what you see. So, for example, we have this bunny over here, and he's walking towards the fruit. The fruit is their favorite type of food, and they would really like to eat some fruit. So they're going towards the fruit. So yeah, I always look for feedback about how the movement feels, because I do know it's not very standard. I totally get that. Yep. So here are our bunnies, and they're walking, looking for food. That's what they do. Monk says, well, if ain't Mr. Southern Butcher himself. Bob is not a butcher. Freedom says, I kid you not. I spent 1.5 hours last night watching accent videos and practicing. Oh, you're trying to get some new accent under your sleeve as part of your toolbox? You're trying out some sort of different accents? Is that what you're trying to do? What kind of accent are you trying to accomplish? Interesting. Freedom says, yeah, I have a channel or a word called Yeehaw. And Long said my southern accent was horrid. So, are we talking like Texas or something? Maybe I can try as well. Wait, Nox, are you good at the southern accent? I don't know. I'm going to try to talk like this. Like this. Maybe I'm going to talk like this. But that will be weird, isn't it? Feels kind of weird to speak like that. I don't know. I hope I'm not offending anyone with my attempts. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. Nox says, I can do a mighty fine southern charm if I do say so myself. I'm curious about that. Definitely curious. So, do you say howdy? Howdy? Like every sentence or something? That's very stereotypical of me. Okay. So now we have 2 new states. Player offers toy and player offers play. And both should be preconditions for go to player play offer and go to player toy offer. So let's add those. Go to player toy offer. Player toy offer. This is going to be another condition. Toy offer and play offer. I'm adding these two. Wait. No, I got confused here. So, player offers toy. Yes, I got confused here. There we go. This is the right one. I will remove this one. It's not necessary. Now we will do offers play and offers play. Let's hit save and see that it works out, that it shows them here differently. Okay, let's see. Freedom says, I thought you were making a Space Girl team game, or is this something else? Oh, this is not something else. This is it. This is exactly it. Yes, there will be magical girls that are taking care of bunnies. So currently I have Wob as my placeholder, but Wob will turn into a beautiful, cool magical girl, which will take care of the bunnies. Yeah, that's the premise of the game. You will need to raise bunnies and make sure they are happy and they are loved and they're not hungry. Yes. Oh, thank you, Freedom. Thank you. I hope the others think so as well. Yeah. Alright, let's see. Did it get updated? Let's see. Okay, Okay, so go to player, play offer. Yes, now player offers play. That's good. It has to be a precondition. And player in a radius. Here's another one with player offers toy. Good, good, good. Player offers toy. And play is under 75. That's also good. Wait. Yeah, it goes into both of these. That's great. This is as expected. That's good. Now for the new states that we have, which are these two new states, we will add them here. Player offers toy. And player offers play. There we go. Now I think we're good. Now I think our planning looks good. I'm going to compare to my other document to make sure my diagram is full. So, do we have eat fruit from player? Yes, we do. That's great. Oh, hello, Tank! Welcome in, welcome in. How are you doing? You missed my attempt at a southern accent. I was kind of bad at it, but so maybe it's a good thing that you have missed it. You would have gotten quite insulted, maybe. Just as an English speaker. Okay, so I'm just gonna say I really like plantuml. Do you use plantuml? I just really like it. I much prefer it over Draw.io. Hope you see okay. Okay, so some bunnies can reproduce all by themselves. All completely by themselves. And we have multiple conditions in order to make that happen. One of them is play is under 75. Other one is no bunnies are available around. The bunny shouldn't be hungry, and love should be over 75, and friend capacity should be 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 conditions for it. There are 5 conditions for that. Thanks guys, honestly, don't do too much UML for my stuff and use DrawIO because normally I am making either state or component diagrams. I also get to do, I don't know, I hate DrawIO because you really have to pull things from one place to another and then the arrows break and it's just so tedious. Even with component diagrams, wherever you need arrows pointing from one place to another, it's becoming a mess, and DrawIO is really annoying in that regard. So I would much rather to just write things down and then for the image to be generated for me. I much prefer that. Yes, Dungus, magical bunnies, but it's like only if their friendship capacity is 0. If their friendship capacity is higher than that, then they cannot reproduce by themselves. No, they will need their friend to be around in order to reproduce. Yeah. So the next action that we can... Okay, all the rest of the actions involve either, like, they involve other bunnies. So I believe this is time to involve more bunnies in our state diagram. Alright. Thanks says I am a nerd. I made some Python that generates the XML for my base diagrams in DrawIO. Oh, that's perfect. That's so good. That's great. So at least your life is not that hard. At least you got that. At least that. Okay, so I'm not that mad, okay? I accept whatever you're doing right now. That's good. So now I think we will implement affection. We cannot call it affection, we will need to call it love. Because we want to be consistent with our namings. Okay, so let's see, did we implement anything like that? Yes, we did. So Okay. I'm thinking, what kind of states and goals do we need in order to implement the love part? Let me close up. Okay, this is close. Reproduce behavior and now love behavior start. Love behavior start and love behavior and. So, what kind of states can we have? An initial state can be player is in radius and player offers love. Let's duplicate. Player offers toy. For example. Okay. So player offers love. Player offers love. I will do another one like so. Another condition that we should have is, let's see, play under love above 75. So now we also need love under 75. We will replicate play under 75. And we will bring in here to be love. Love under 75. Love under 75. And the action would be go to player love offer. And we will replicate it from go to player play offer. Go to player toy offer. We will replicate it into love. It's going to be very lovey-dovey. Lovey-dovey. Go to player love offer. Wait, Tank, I remember that you were taking care of some snow stuff. Very snowy stuff. How's that going? love offer. There we go. And after that, instead of critter ready to play, it will be critter is ready to be petted by the player. Critter ready to invite player. Tank says, not as much snow. No, it's just lawn stuff. It's summer here, so lots of work to do in the yard. It's going good. Oh, okay, good luck, good luck. Good luck with the reboot. Yeah, so critter ready to be loved by player. To be loved by player. And then the action will be loved by player. It sounds passive, but that's what it's like. Play with player. So instead of play, it will be loved. Loved by player. Very cute. Very, very cute. And then we will have another state of love increased. By how much? Let's see, what did I define? Oh, I did not define that part, it seems. Not yet, at least. It's gonna be x8. Oh, actually 9. 9 and 9. Love x2. It's going to be our new goal. x9. 9, it's 9, it's 9. Now we will need to make the chain connect to one another. One by one. It's going to be here. Like so. So if we have a state of player offers love and if love is under 75, if both of these happen, then we will go to the player to receive the player's affection. Then the critter will be ready to receive affection. After that, the bunny will receive affection because a bunny will receive affection. His feeling of being loved will increase and the goal will be achieved. Hooray! Let's see if it all makes sense. Let's see. Yes, we would love to pet bunnies in this game. Tank, did I show you what it looks like? Did I show you what the game looks like so far? Okay, here we go. So player offers love. Man, if the love of the bunny is under 75. And we'll go. Oh, actually, we also need player radius. We need a player to be in a radius too. So that's another thing. So state player in a radius. That's another one. There we go. Let's see, how is it going to change? It takes time to load. Yes, it moved over here. So we have the player in radius over here, and we need it the player radius for this one. Also, player offers love. Oh wait, why is that with a capital letter? It's not supposed to be with a capital letter. Player offers love. No, it should not be a capital. There we go. Better. Okay, Tank, let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. So this is our nice moon that we have. This is our moon. These are some fruits we have around the moon. If you have any feedback about the player movement and stuff like that, please let me know. I'm looking for thoughts from you guys. So yeah, we can walk around the moon. And we have bunnies around the moon. Yes, let's see. Ah, I see. The bunny is walking towards some fruit because the bunny is hungry. So here's the bunny. It walks towards the fruit in order to eat some fruit. Yes, moon bunnies. Magical, cute moon bunnies. They're eating some fruit. There we go. Yes, lots of bunnies. All very cute. And this is our moon that we can walk around. This moon. Yep. Dun-dun-dun. And we can jumpy jump. Do some jumpy jump. Here are more bunnies. Hello, bunnies. Hello, bunnies. Lots of bunnies. Yeah. It should be very cute and wholesome and cute. I hope the movement is something that you can get used to. I think I got used to it, I have to say. I think I got used to it. Yep, so this is what we have so far. Dun dun dun. Please, 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 please share your thoughts. Share what do you think. Okay. Back to designing bunny stuff. Where was I? I think I was missing some statements. Not sure. Oh yeah, remember I changed this. Wait, I changed this to lowercase. Why is it? Oh, it's no longer uppercase. That's good. Okay, okay. Perfect, perfect. Okay, so we need player in a radius, which is this arrow. We need player to offer some affection. And love should be under 75. Okay. So that part we need to add over here. Love under 75. Whoops. There we go. Let's see. Now an arrow should come from this to this. Good. Good, good, good. Looks great now. So we have those three conditions. Then critter is ready to be loved by the player. Then love increases. That's good. Now we need, just like we have player in radius, we also need critter in radius and friend in radius. Where is player in radius? Player in radius. It's supposed to be a state. So just like we have player in radius, we're supposed to also have critter in radius. Critter in radius. Critter. And critter. Then we're going to do a friend in radius. Another friend in radius. And another friend in radius. Then how many friends can we have? We can have up to 3 friends. So maybe we will call it as 1 friends in radius, and then wait, no, this is not how we define that. We need friend in radius, friendship capacity, friends in radius 1. There should be available critter in radius. False. Okay, that's a little bit different. I'm trying to use the same naming conventions. But for this type, I don't have a convention yet. Okay, maybe I will use available. Like available critter in radius. Available friend in radius. Let's see what it looks like. No, not the whole world. Just the states. Available critter and radius. Okay, I use the full name, so I will use it here as well. Yeah, we will do it like so. And then add 2 and 3. Two. And 3. Here we go. Also, this one should be available. Oh, we actually already have this one. We just need it to be also in a true state as well. So it's going to be available critter in radius. So we have this one here. So we need one to be true and one to be false. So this is going to be false. And for the bottom of the screen here, we need one for true. Like so. Then we need to add F and F to explain that it's false. Let's wait for this to be updated. Might take some time. I guess it's getting busy and busy. Line 335, we have an error. Why is there an error here? Oh, I guess because of that. Because they have to be different. Okay. Now it's good. Do you see the text okay, I wonder? Because I don't know. Humma. Now we're part of the affection route. Oh wait, we did not place this in the right place just yet. We need to place it over here probably. And we will need to give it a proper name. Oh, to play for love. There we go. Let's wait for this to be updated. Here. Now, all the radius parts need to be connected to the wonder. So maybe let's make it nice looking. We will add all the wonders in one place, just like this one. What's that doing here? And we have a few more that is doing the exact same thing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 more states about wandering. They can be achieved by wandering around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Let's see what it looks like so far. Good. Spooky. Ah, yeah. It's becoming a bit crazy. Yeah. Well, we expected as much, I will admit. We did expect as much. Let's take a look. Yes, all of these are here. I would not organize this like a available 14 radius. Why would it be lost? I would put this one far closer. Way closer. instead of... Maybe we can add another value. Just like there's duration and there's priority. Maybe we should also add count. Maybe that would make more sense. It'll probably be harder on the goap system, so maybe I will keep it just like that for now. Yeah, I'll probably keep it like that for now. Okay, almost under 75. It's not here. We need to add it. Let's make sure nothing is not connected. We need everything to either connect to the wander action or to the start action. There shouldn't be any children without a parent here. Yeah, I think it looks okay. There are no parentless children in here. I think so. Ugh. There are a lot of actions here. But that's exciting. I cannot wait for the bunnies to be smarter and behave in all sorts of ways. That would be so awesome. I can't wait for that. Can't wait. I hope you're also excited about that. Just as I am. Yep. Okay. So we have all of these different types of... We have all these different stuff. On the right. Hopefully you can see those. Now, let's make sure bunnies can give affection to one another. So basically, two bunnies need to look for affection from one another. So, aside from needing to be loved, what kind of additional preconditions should they have? They need to be in the same area. But then what kind of action do they perform? If they're in the same radius... Oh, that's a tough one. That's a tough one. Aside from being in the same radius, what do they need to do? I suppose one can walk towards the other bunny. And if they're close enough... Okay. Okay, they can only choose to give affection, actually. And giving affection will give them affection back. I guess that's how it's going to work. Ooh, that's a tricky one. That's a tricky one. Let's try to write it down before we actually make it happen. Oh, hello Nonsense! Welcome in, welcome in. I'm doing great, thank you for asking. How are you? I'm trying to currently figure out how two bunnies can interact with one another. Because I'm doing this in a way that I don't know. Do you see my screen properly? Do you see the text okay? Like, we can start with the easier examples, which are how to resolve hunger. So we have some preconditions. If some kind of fruit is available around, and if the bunny is hungry, then the bunny can go to the fruit, and then after that the bunny has a fruit and the bunny can eat it and gain some fullness. But for two bunnies to interact with one another, yeah, it is, and it gets even more complicated. This is the least complicated example here. Oh, to implement. Okay. Yeah, so in order to implement this type of AI, we're using goap. Goap is like a way to... It's similar to how the Sims work, kind of. It stands for goal-oriented action something programming or planning. I don't remember what it stands for, but we can check. Anyway, this is what the game looks so far. These red ones are actually the fruits that the bunnies love to eat. So they're coming for the fruit in order to eat the fruit. And please share your feedback about the movement of the player, and about anything that you see here on the screen, really. Yeah, so the bunnies are walking around, and we're also walking around. Yep. Very cute, very cute. Lots of bunnies. And the bunnies are adorable. And we can also jump. We can jumpy jump, jumpy jump. Nonsense says, well, this is some actual progress. Last time I was here, we were playing with Blender Dude. Yeah, that's true. Now there are pixel sprites, which are more closer to the vision. A little bit. It's still not quite different. It's still quite different. But, yeah. I know, they're adorable. They're so adorable. Let's see if I can bring in, let's see if I can bring in the other bunny options. Have you seen the other bunny options that we had? We had some more. Let's see if I can find. Let's see if I can find that to show you. Oh, okay. That's cool. So, that's nice. So I guess there is no need to show this again. Yes. I'm still not sure this is the bunny I will go with, because they're all cute. But we will see. And we'll really need to think about it. Yeah. We'll really need to think about it. Or maybe I will show the bunnies actually. I wonder if I can show them. How can I show them the fastest? Let's take a look. Maybe through a sprite. Maybe I will show through a sprite actually. Let's give it a... Yep. Okay, I found the bunnies. Here they are. Let me show you the bunnies. Oh, well, this is kind of spoilers. Don't look. These are spoilers. There we go. No, that's not the one you chose then. Okay. Here are all of our options that we see. Nonsense says that is the same one, right? It depends on where did you make the choice. Did you make the choice on the YouTube community tab? If yes, then it's a little bit different. I put them significantly less options over there. Yes, he's so precious. He's very cute. He's adorable. I love all of them. I love them all. Oh, I see. So the one that I currently have in game is the first one. I think 3 and 5 will fit the game best. At least in the vibes that I'm looking for. But I'm still not. I mean, this one looks the best. I agree, but it's kind of generic. Do you get what I mean? Do you understand what I mean? Do you understand why I'm calling it generic? I don't know. It feels like there's nothing too special about him. Do you know what I mean? Do you get it? It's hard to explain. And this one is the first one I drew ever. 5 is the first one I drew, so it's hard for me to say that I should go for 5 because it's like, it's the first one I did, so why would it be the best? Like, why would I make the best design as the first one? You know, it's like, it usually doesn't work that way. You don't usually nail it from the first try, you know? You know what I mean? Do you understand where I'm coming from? Nox says, I will still love my tall child even if he didn't get picked. He's adorable! I love him. He's very cute. And I feel like he's very unique too. Like, he's the type of uniqueness I'm looking for. This guy is the type of uniqueness I'm looking for sure. Number 6. But he will be harder to animate. Like, if you're going to ask who is more unique, 3 or 6, then obviously 6 is the answer. Like, 3 looks very much like been there, done that, if you understand what I mean. Nonsense is the eyelashes is what got me. Yeah, I suppose so. Yes, they're all very cute. They're all very cute. I don't know what to say. It's a really hard choice to make. It's a really hard choice. Hama. Let's see. Maybe we can do something about this guy. Make him. I mean, I think if we will do something like this. No, this doesn't work. Probably this one, but with this face. Maybe that will be good. What does the syntax mean? It's really weird. Yeah. Let me explain. And then we will get back to trying to draw the perfect bunny. Okay. Let me explain the syntax. Okay, so what do you see here? This is called plantuml, which helps you avoid draw IO completely. If you hate dragging arrows from one place to another, then this is the best tool. But you will need Java for it. It works on Java. So this one, the star that you see is actually the beginning of the state diagram. It's this dot over here. And then it just creates an arrow from the starting point to these states. To all of these states. So as you can see, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 arrows coming from the starting point to all those different states. So if we're going to count all of these arrows coming out, we will have 14 of them. Does that make sense? Nonsense says you have time, you don't have to pick now. Yep, I hope that makes sense. Was that a good explanation? Do you still have any questions? Let's go back to trying to create the perfect bunny. The perfect bunny. So, I would try taking whoops. I'm going to try yes. Goodbye, ice. Goodbye. Goodbye. Spooky! Spooky. Now we'll try to take these eyes. And see if it works. It looks kind of weird. Ah, he looks like a steamed bun. That's funny. Oh wait, I also need to get rid of this. It looks like a steamed bun. And it's funny because it's a bun. And they are bunnies. Hee. Do you get it? Do you get it? Hee. So, maybe something like this. Actually, I would move this a little bit more inside. Like so, and like, wait a minute. Like so. Then try something like that. No, that doesn't work well. Where's my symmetry tool? There it is. No, I want the ears to be broken like that. I think it's cute. Nonsense says, is it like a conditions in trees in machine learning? Kinda, yes. You can kind of look at that, it that way. It's not quite similar, but you can look at it that way. You could. Maybe we can do this. That's weird. I think we will need to move those ears a little bit away from one another. do we do that? Effectively. Oh, actually, there. It's fine. No, it's not fine. I thought there were a separate layer, and they were not. What do we think about this bunny so far? It's kind of a mix of a few bunnies. What happened here? Oh, okay. What do you think about this guy? Yeah, nah. He is not balanced. I don't feel like he's balanced at all. I don't like these ears on him. There are way too many things that don't work for this guy. Nonsense says it's cute, but the change in width on the ears make it look a bit like wings, I think. Yes, that's kind of what I was aiming for a little bit. To give him more unique shape. Thank you so much, Nonsense. Why do they look so different? That's weird. Okay, I'm gonna use Symmetry Tool again to redraw the ear. Okay. Whoops. Okay. These ears are a little bit too long, I feel like. Maybe like this is good. No, still too long. There. I think it's kind of cute. Maybe. We do need maybe this gem. For him. For the bunny. Wait, what? We did not copy the gem? Where's the gem? There's the gem. Ugh, it looks like a third eye. Hello, Aurelian. Welcome in. How are you? It looks like a third eye. And it's not what I meant it to be. What do you think about the bunnies? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Special power. Indeed. Okay. We'll try the original one. We'll try the original one. There we go. I think this is better. Nonsense says I have to go now. Good luck with the game. Thank you for stopping by. So, what do you guys think about this one? Maybe we need to erase all of the shape of the face. Yes, I think we need to erase all of that. The commands are available on the title if you're interested. Yes, we have 2 commands here. For example, yes, the game, and also socials. Also, there's that too. Okay, I think raising all of the face helps the bunny looks better. Much better. Much more cohesive, I feel like. And I'm still not very happy about the gem. Needs another gem. Needs another gem. Maybe this one? Let's see if this gem will work. I think it does. What do you think? What do you think? Does this gem work? Maybe we will lower these towards here. Just like this bunny. Now this is a little bit too condensed. There we go. There we go. I feel like I like this one. Do you like him? Maybe I need to update his ears. Yes, I will probably need to reconsider his ears. This does look like a third eye. Again. Okay, which gem should we try? Maybe let's try this gem again. Too close, like so, maybe. Looks weird. That's also weird. Yeah, this is probably... the best gem type for him. No. Maybe we will raise it a little bit. Like so. Ugh. It's a little bit too spooky, but in a good way. Spooky in a good way, I think. Do you think it's spooky in a good way? Maybe it should be underneath. Upper gem. Let's try a lower gem. It looks like a beard. It looks like a beard. I think I like it. Hello, otaku. Welcome in, welcome in. Yes, it does. Look how cute. Look how cute. He looks like he has a beard. Doesn't he? Maybe the upper gem is better. I do feel like I need to remove this bump right here. They make him a little bit squishy. Squishy like that. Actually, maybe the bump is okay. It's just needs the ears to be a little bit different. I don't know. I'll think about it. Yes. Bunny, 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 bunny. bunny is used for the game. Let me show you. One last time. Here's bunny. Here's cute bunny. Bunny's looking for fruit. But tons of bunnies. I'm summoning them. Here. Many bunnies. Many bunnies. Yay. We're surrounded by bunnies. There we go. Okay. So. Our time is nearly over. So this is me reminding you guys about the podcast Functional Fun. It's a game dev and a game design podcast, which we release episodes for on Wednesdays. On Saturdays we have a technical kind of stream, just like the one we had today. And on Sundays, like tomorrow, we have a more artistic kind of stream, where we draw more. So guys, if you have any questions, this is the time to ask them. Right. Good. Noxious daily hug for Starly, the little friend. Starly is very happy to be hugged. So thank you for that. Okay guys, do you have any questions? No then. Yes, Otaku. Yes. I am doing streams like for 2 hours. Well, tomorrow, please come tomorrow at 5 p.m. Central European Time, and then you can join the stream. I hope that's okay. I will be waiting for you. I'm sorry about today. Yes, my streams are usually taking 2 hours. Alright then. So, I really hope to see you tomorrow. Have a lovely